Hi guys, and welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. And look, haven't had her in the kitchen on camera for years. We've got the little Batch Lady who is coming along to join me today because of course school is out, so we're all at home. If you ever want to see any of the little Batch Lady, when she was little, she used to stand in a box to help me. You can check out my YouTube channel of other things, okay? So today, I thought, why not do a really nice summery lemon cupcake that you can serve when people come over and they can all have their own individual one. This is a really nice, light, easy recipe. The lemon in it is lovely. Stay tuned till the end. Once we've done the cupcakes, I'm going to show you how to make the glaze. These are freezable, so you can make them anytime you want and bring them out the freezer if you're going to have anybody around. They are delicious. Okay, so let's get started. We have got self-raising flour, caster sugar, margarine, we're using baking powder and 3 eggs, okay? So that is all you need. We're then going to, and we're also using the zest of 2 lemons, okay? We've only got tiny ones in the house, but you could use normal size lemons. Zest of 2 lemons, Zara's going to be zesting them. This couldn't be simpler. Put it all in the bowl and mix it up. That's all you have to do. So, to get started, I am just going to add my butter into the bowl. Zara is going to zest the 2 lemons for me. Try to keep it off the bowl if you can. Why don't you hold it like that? And then try it. Zesting. It's not easy. We've usually got a little handheld one, but we can't find it. A tiny little zester, which helps. Okay, so I am putting in 3/4 of a cup, which is 150. Oh, 3/4 of a cup. I don't know. I'll put it up on the screen of what it's coming up in grams. Okay, I'm putting in a cup and a little eighth. So a cup and a little eighth of flour, which is 150 grams. So like I say, these are really nice and light, and lemon cupcakes are lovely. If you're going to freeze them, don't put the glaze on, and then if you're going to, when you want to bring them out, then you can glaze them if you want. And the glaze is really easy, as you'll see at the end. Okay, so I'm now putting 1 teaspoon of baking powder in. And then I've got 3 eggs to put in. So eggs in. So we have put our flour, our sugar, our baking powder and our margarine in. Our 3 eggs. Zara is zesting really away. Hard. Okay, let me try for you. You've done a good job. All we're going to do, guys, is get your mixer and get mixing. We are fully mixed, if you can see that, and we've done a quick clear up, haven't we? It's like magic, isn't it? So we have chosen some lovely yellow. Zara chose these, are bright yellow. They look really good for lemon cupcakes. So you fill the cupcake cases. Then a really good tip for filling cupcake cases is an ice cream scoop. I use it all the time. You want a sort of heaped scoop, okay? Because you want to fill the cases about 3/4 full. So a heaped scoop should fill them perfectly. Just slightly less than a heaped, I would say, about that. Well done, Zara. Can you see these on camera okay? Now, we didn't get much zest from our lemons because they were so old, so we did add a little bit of lemon juice, which we think will be fine. So I'll put up a yay or a nay on the screen and you can see if it was fine. This is really light and airy. It's almost like mousse. Doesn't it feel like you said it was really airy? So it's not like thick cake batter, it is actually really light and airy. Once we've done this, we're going to throw them in the oven and we're going to get going on the glaze, just to let you see. I can't speak today. I'll be doing lots of I had to do a storytelling about my book and read from the chapters of the book today, and I just couldn't speak. Okay, we have got 12. We've probably got another 2 that we can get out of the bowl, so we'll add them in as well. Let's get them in the oven and you'll come back and see what it looks like when they come out, okay? Let's go. Guys, our cupcakes are out. Now Zara and I got chatting. So these ones look perfect. These ones little bit more brown and crispy around the edges. These are the ones at the back of the oven. So if you have an aga, you have to turn them around, and we forgot. So there you go. But anyway, they are lovely lemon cupcakes. We want to show you how to quickly ice them now. So Zara, you get squeezing the lemon, please. So you're going to need 1 lemon. We've got small lemons, so we're going to use 2 tiny lemons, and you're going to add them to your icing sugar. Give it a mix around. It's going to make a thick glaze. Now if the glaze is too thick, you can add a little bit of water, but add literally a spot at a time because it can go thin really quickly. Okay, so all you want to do is give it a good mix around, and like I say, you want a really thick glaze. Yeah, do another one, Zara, for me. So you want it to look like that, okay? Don't put them on if you're going to eat them just now, don't glaze them while they're hot. Let them cool down, then put the glaze on, put your sprinkles on, and you're good to go. That is lemon cupcakes from Zara and I. We hope you really enjoy watching The Batch Lady. I'm going to link the recipe below if you're watching on YouTube, and you'll also get it at www.thebatchlady.com. Thanks for watching. Bye!